10 best places to visit in Switzerland. Bordered by Germany, Italy, Austria, and France, Switzerland is the most magnificent destination, which is well known as paradise on earth. With its snow capped Alps, picturesque green scenery, glaciers, glittering blue lakes, valleys, and quaint villages, it is not less than a storybook charm. Not only its charming beauty, but its culture also attracts people from all over the world. Cities such as Zurich, Geneva, Lausanne offer excellent museums and galleries, historic buildings, and renowned music festivals. It sometimes appears as many countries in one because of its mixed culture. Let's take a virtual trip to some of the best places in Switzerland. First one is the Matterhorn. It is one of the iconic of Switzerland as it is one of the highest mountains in the Alps. You will forget the difference between reality and dream when you will take a trip to this pyramid-shaped photographed mountain as it feels like heaven. There was more in the store for me on this destination as the charming village of Zermatt Top International Resort at the foot of this peak amazed me with its horse-drawn carriage rides, world-class restaurants, museums, and quaint chalets. Gorngrat Observation Platform is the best for your Instagram stories and posts. You can enjoy the beauty with some exciting sports like hiking, skiing, biking, etc. Second is Jungfrau Josch. Popular as top of Europe, the train journey to Jungfrau Josch, which is the highest railway station in Europe, is a lifetime experience that will leave you spellbound like me. You can see an observation terrace and scientific observatory perched at 3,454 meters at the top of Europe. The UNESCO World Heritage Site, the Great Alps Glacier, begins with Jungfrau Josch. At the foot of the north face, you will discover the most difficult and dramatic climb Eiger. Grindelwald is the picturesque glacier in the Jungfrau region. There is a jaw-dropping ice palace inside the glacier, ice sculptures, snow tunnels, snow museums at the top of this region. Not only this, but you will be astonished by the Sphinx Hall panoramic 360-degree views of the glacier and the Burns Alps, towns such as Mürren, Lauterbrunnen, and Wengen. Third place is Lake Geneva. Europe's largest alpine Lake Geneva straddles on the course of the Rhone River on the frontier between Switzerland and France. If you are a chocolate lover like me, you will be amazed by some of the best Swiss chocolate brands in the city of Geneva. Being the headquarters of multiple international organizations, including the United Nations, the city gives an international ambience which would leave you on the astonishment. The landmark of the city which pulled me like a magnet is Jet d'Eau, which is the powerful water jet that propels water to 140-meter height. Wandering around the old town of Geneva, I discovered many architectural gems, museums, modern cafes, and restaurants. If you want to experience international festivals, then do visit this city in June or July, as Montreux hosts the world-famous Montreux Jazz Festival in June or July. Now the fourth one is Lugano. If you want to experience what it's like to be in Italy while being in Switzerland, then you must visit this city of Lugano located near to the Italian border, which is a perfect blend of Swiss and Italian culture. Monte Carlo of Switzerland is the perfect name given to the city as you will encounter celebrities wandering around the city. I enjoyed the Italian local delicacies, which included my most favorite pizza. Enjoying a cruise at Lake Lugano is worth your visit. If you love swimming, then do visit Lido di Lugano, right by the city center. Swiss miniature is the best place to experience beautiful Switzerland in miniature. Fifth one is Bern. The capital city of Bern is our next spot. Staggered by the city's medieval old town, you will realize why it is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. You can't miss Zeitglocke, an ancient tower clock with moving puppets while visiting the city. If you are a follower of Einstein, then it is a must for you to visit Einstein House to have insights into his life. Art lovers will find their soul enlightening as a part galleries like Zentrum Paul Klee. the world's largest collection of works, and the Bend Museum of Art will blow their minds away. If you are a shopaholic like me, you will love the city as you will explore 6 kilometers long shopping arcades called Lauben by the locals. Beer Park, yes, you read it right. You, especially kids, can enjoy watching and playing around beers in the beer park in this city. Sixth one is Zurich. Your trip would be incomplete without the visit to Zurich, the biggest city in this country. For all the people in the business world, this is the best place to visit as it is the major financial hub in Europe. Don't feel disheartened as besides business, it has a lot more in store for people like us. If you love luxuries and designer brands, then do visit Bahnhofstrasse, the most expensive shopping street in this world. If you want some insights into the culture, history of the country, then you must visit this amazing Swiss National Museum. All the FIFA lovers would fall for this wonderful FIFA World Football Museum. Besides this, wandering and discovering the old towns of Zurich is worth a visit as you will be stunned by the beauty of every corner of the city. Seventh one is Interlaken. If you want to relax and enjoy at the same time, the best place to visit in Interlaken, the most popular tourist resort, as it is located between two major alpine lakes, Thun and Brenz. You can enjoy the sight of lakes and relax and get mesmerized by the beautiful sceneries. You can enjoy some exciting outdoor adventures such as paragliding, mountain biking, skydiving, etc. As Interlaken gives striking views of three mountains, the Eiger, the Jungfrau, and the Monk. The next place to visit is Lucerne. If you want to feel the vibes for speaking German, then you should visit this mesmerizing, spellbinding city of Lucerne. Famous for its preserved medieval architecture, historical sites, and stunning views, is a must for making your trip to Switzerland a lifetime experience. If you are a music lover, you will find peace in the city, famed for its music concerts. This quintessential Swiss town lures renowned soloists, conductors, and orchestras to its annual International Music Festival. The thing which made my visit to this destination an unforgettable one was the perfect capture at Schiphol Bridge, which is a covered wooden bridge and has old paintings lined on the roof. If you want to feel the love of people for their country's soldiers, then you should visit the Lion Monument, which honors the heroic death of Swiss guards in the French Revolution. The ninth place to visit is Rhine Falls. Our next destination for the trip are some magical and calming waterfalls that are Rhine Falls, which are the largest and most powerful falls in Central Europe. You can enjoy the boat trips on the falls and get fascinated by the beauty. The one thing I enjoyed the most was the fireworks display hosted by Falls as part of Switzerland's National Day celebrations, which occur in August. You can relax at the cafes near the falls. The last one is Swiss National Park. To all nature lovers, this place is the perfect tea for their mornings. Swiss National Park is the oldest reserve in the Alps, which will captivate you with its ravishing meadows, the beauty of the scenery, and snow-covered mountains in winters. While hiking or trailing through the park, you can encounter its inhabitants like red deer, ibex, marmot, etc.